Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at some parking garage here in the brain Bismarck, North Dakota. Yes, and ThyssenKrupp stood around. Looks like these might have been replacements. Down to the ground floor. Interesting. Here we go. Switch at the top. Yeah, we'll switch at the top. That's why not. Single 4, obviously. The buttons have been replaced, the floor buttons have been replaced with Atoll. So relatively nice parking garage elevator, although I don't think these are original to the parking garage. They might have been replacements of something else when they were original. Sitting down the ground. You are on the orange level. Yeah, these definitely were replacements. Even that button's a little higher than normal. So yeah, these definitely were replacements of something original. That sounds wonderful. Oh gosh. Might be this one. Oh gosh. Ground floor. Focus the camera. Do got 5. Yeah, I believe this is the Parkade. Yeah, I think this is the Parkade. Anyway, this indicator. It's a relatively nice cab, although, one thing I'm going to say, these elevators are actually not original to the building, I don't think. Because this garage is much older than you think. Dixie go up or go out. Here's the ground floor. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, those are not original to this though. Let's go. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.